Hey, Pop 110 Canine Solutions here again. I'm going to do an unboxing video for you. I received some training aids from Precision Explosives. They are located in Spotsylvania, Virginia. You can find them on social media as well as the internet. So look for Precision Explosives. Obviously, I don't know exactly what's in this box, but I'm going to find out here in a second. Full disclosure, they did send this to me free of charge so that I could test out their training aids with my canine. Okay, packing. Okay, it appears I got 2 training aids. Yeah. Okay, so we got TNT and Petin. So, all right. You can see it's a thin package. They are in a disc format, which is kind of a new thing for me. But I'm going to give it a try, and we'll see what happens. So, yeah, I will post up some videos of my dog running these odors. I may do it tomorrow depending on the weather. If not, then I will do it on Wednesday. But again, please check them out on social media and on the internet. Precision Explosives. It is a veteran-owned company, and they do training courses for canines and their handlers, and they also provide training aids. So, all right, that'll do it.